We're in this long line to get inside of Islands, and it's starting to rain, and I dress like it's tropical. It's not a tropical day at all, and we're just hoping we can go right into VelociCoaster right when we get in. It says it's currently an hour wait.
Not too bad.
Which is not bad, but there's still like half hour until the park officially opens, so we'll see. So we are gonna try to get the first row because Young at the Parks, Kelly and Joe, they were saying how the first row is like the best, and of course the first row is always the best, so we'll see.
Or the back row.
Maybe the second time if we get to ride it again later, maybe the last row.
Use your park ticket. If your ticket is on your phone, see the Scan your ticket at an available station, and the screen will indicate which locker is assigned to that ticket. You won't be returned to this room, so you remember that.
Okay, that was insane.
It's crazy.
But amazing. We did the front row. The front row was definitely worth it. Oh my god. Your butt stays off the seat a lot of the times. Hallie suggests the front row.
Yes.
And
the only row we've done so far, but
well, it was amazing.
It was amazing.
The really high part, like the really high part was like,
and then it goes in, it goes really high, and it inverts.
You're definitely upside down a lot, but and not like to the point where it's uncomfortably too much.
No, but they're pushing it.
Yeah, there's that little. My hair got caught and being on my seat, and I was scary. To me, I was worried that my hair would get yanked off, or I don't know. So I don't know how that happens.
Hair, but, yeah.
So maybe tie your hair up before you go. But it was awesome, definitely worth it. I kind of wish they had like the VelociCoaster tank tops for women, but they don't. It's just t-shirts.
It happened for little kids.
And little kids, yeah. By the way, I forgot to mention, the ride said it was 70 minutes and it was only 30, so. Although it's still a little gloomy, the sun's starting to come out at least, so it's not, I don't know, it's not raining. So we're gonna do Hagrid's next, but the line is like 100 minutes right now, which might not be 100, might be like 50.
Yeah.
But we're gonna see if it goes down a little bit. Maybe later on we'll come back to. For sure we're doing Hagrid's though, that's like a must. Okay, so we decided we're gonna go to the Jurassic Park River Adventure. We have a whole Jurassic morning. Also, we haven't had coffee yet.
No, is there any coffee?
Kinda need coffee. But I don't know, Starbucks is like somewhere else. I don't know where we can find coffee. In this whole, like, you know how Disney has Joffrey's and there's like little stands? I don't know, I don't think Universal has that. So Universal should get on that. song and then coffee.
Yeah, hopefully.
This is how I feel right now without coffee. There's like no wait. It says 20 minutes, but I think it's gonna be like 5 minutes.
Forever.
We got coffee. Woohoo! After being a little, you know, grumpy for a while because we needed coffee, we got coffee and we got a little snack, and now we're ready to go on to the next thing. So now we're going in line for Hagrid's. It said it's about 70-minute wait, right? 70? Or 90?
It said
90.
I predict less.
I think it's gonna be less than 90, so let's see. Okay, we're moving pretty quickly, so I'm definitely thinking it's like maybe half an hour to 40 minutes, hopefully. Locker time. So we did Hagrid's, and it actually did probably take 90 minutes.
Yeah, but it broke down.
But because it broke down,
yeah.
Right. If not, it would have probably been
In an hour.
Maybe under an hour or an hour, but whatever. Still, personally, to us, I think it's the best ride. I know VelociCoaster is awesome, but it's just like Hagrid's is such a fun coaster that you can't compare. It's so much fun. It's just enjoyable. It has moments of being intense, and then it pulls back, and then it becomes calm, and then intense again, and there's like a balance, and then there's animatronics, there's a drop, like it's just, there's more to it. It's lengthier. I don't know. To me, it still reigns supreme.
Still, yeah, still number one.
Still number one, but VelociCoaster is great. Okay, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain, and it looks like a good time to get a drink. So just so you know, here at the, what is this called? At the Hogshead? At the Hogshead, they have beer, of course, but they also have Long Islands. The Long Islands are...
They're long.
They're good. Okay, update. It's raining and thundering. After we got out of the ride, which we were in there for like 90 minutes, it was a while. It was raining, and now it's technically not raining, but it's still kind of sprinkling, and there's thunder, so all the outdoor rides are closed. So basically,
pretty much have done all the indoor ones.
Well,
except for Dr. Seuss.
There's some. Dr. Seuss. We were lucky that we were inside the ride for Hogwarts, so we didn't have to worry about getting soaked, but it definitely rained. Alright, we're going to Dr. Seuss World, and we're gonna ride the Dr. Seuss ride. Because what else are we gonna do? Even the Dr. Seuss People Mover is not working. Basically anything that's an outdoor ride is not working right now, so we're very limited. We could do the carousel. Okay, the Cat in the Hat ride is 45 minutes.
I mean, it's not that long, but it's not that worth it.
It's Cat in the Hat. Yeah. We can't justify 45 minutes for that. So...
Oh no.
So here are the current times. Frog Choir, oh, 3:30, okay. So Dudley Do Rights, the Hulk, One Fish, Two Fish, Hagrid's, Jurassic, all closed down. And then the rides that are currently going on are like in the hundreds, basically. Okay, so we don't know if we're coming back, but right now we're gonna head out because we're kind of like, what are we gonna do? So maybe we're gonna find something to eat at City Walk. Maybe we'll come back, maybe we won't. I guess, you know, we'll see. But kind of a shame with the rain.
We've been here for 8 hours already.
I know, we have been here for a while, but I kind of wanted to ride like everything, you know?